Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss about subscript, superscript and text highlight, and also discuss about font color. So let's start it. So sometimes we need to type as this text, and it's called superscript and this is called subscript. Let's show you how to type this type of text. So at first I typed A2, then I want this 2 as a superscript text, so I just need to click here superscript. Then I see that A2 that is as a superscript content. Then I need to click again in superscript to disable this option, and then I type B3 and I want this text as a subscript. So just select the text and then apply subscript command. So this text applied as a subscript text. After that, sometimes we need to highlight our text as this title. So now I show you how to highlight the text. So I type some text here. Increase the text size. Now I want that this text as a highlight color. So I just select the text and apply this text highlight color option. Here a lot of color available, so whenever I select the color, it's applied into my text background. Okay, and if I also need to change the text color, then I need to select desired text and choose my color from this color option. So here I applied this color. Thank you.